All right, today we're gonna do like a disc challenge and review of the new Streamline range. So his is the Eagle McMahon version, mine's just your typical one. People think that it's like a Berg. This is like MVP. Streamline is MVP's brand with no overmold or whatever, gyro. The only thing that's the same as the Berg is the thumb track. That's it, thumb track. Other than that, they fly completely. This is a point and shoot disc, just goes very straight, sometimes a little understable. You can get a fade. This, you always get the fade. And this is the first set, it's 340 feet. If Jason parks it, I'm giving him $5. $5. We got kids here with us today. If you hear them in the background, got the water boy and we got little Lily here. Hi. That's the water boy. All right, we're getting at we're getting at it. Get some.
Dad, we're up. You want me to go first?
It's a good throw, but it's not parked.
It's parked. Parked the tree.
What should its name be?
Oh my gosh, I threw it right into the freaking ground. And we do have a significant amount of wind today, so this ought to be fun with this disc.
Say hi, camera.
Hi,
See if I can football.
oh, it's a puppy.
Hey, the puppy.
Oh.
Right into the tree.
Come on.
Man, this thing's flying great.
I go straight. I'm having a hard time here. James is down there by Lily. Watch out, Lily.
What's up, beautiful girl?
Get in there. Oh, that's parked for a 4. So if we're inside a circle or outside a circle, we're gonna use our putters. Inside, we'll putt with the range. There you go.
I guess it's
Side
safe
arm.
to say now that I actually bagged this, so it's not fair.
Yeah, I bagged mine too.
What would be best for my first?
That's a 4. That's a 3. All right, we're on 2. Straight up there. And we got a wicked tailwind.
What should I use?
Oh, it was stable. Yeah, baby, go. Fonzie's Berg. Oh, he misses it, folks.
That wasn't much better.
Nice and close.
I need to do something.
Yeah, birdie, baby. I'm back to even. There we go. All right, we're at 3. So straight out there. Jay's up.
Oh, not good. You got an ace, birdie, remember?
Oh, that's right. Streamline. Range. This one's going in circle. Do it. Get over there.
Told you.
It rolled right in.
Got
I'm gonna play the roll.
Really?
That looks good. Go, 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 go. Ace. Oh. Look at this park job. Look at this. Look at this. Jay's got some work to do. Can he make it, folks?
Well, Lily keeps changing my line.
She's trying to be a big helper.
Yeah, Bubba. Nice little headwind.
Oh. Another bird. Another bird. Ba-boom. Whoa. So we decided we're gonna putt with these as well. What the heck, you know, it's range only. All right, this is 4. It's right there, very easy.
In my row.
There's more over there.
A row?
Yeah, go get one. Right here, Lily.
Get in there.
Nice layup.
Thanks. I was gonna go for the the putt, but a lot of my range. There it is. Oh, that wind kicked you down, but you're up there. We're up there.
I might get my first birdie. No, a hunt.
Berg. Berg.
Let's do that.
Berg. All right, this one's 5. It's right there, right over in there. I usually flick this one. Got a headwind. I'm gonna play the headwind. The Lanheiser. It's a lot of headwind. Jeez.
Magic? Magic?
It's in my bag.
Oh,
It's in the bag.
oh.
Get down.
It's not gonna be easy.
Gonna be a putt. Oh, that wind is kind of like flipped it up. Good job. And there's mine. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh,
Tied up.
wind lifted it.
All tied up.
You're up. Where we at?
Oh.
6.
Hey, I aced this hole with a
Right
Rolo.
there. Yes, you did. It's in the videos.
I'm gonna try this on a forehand.
Do it.
Nah.
That's cool.
The freaking wind pushed it.
Yep. Ta-da.
Hey, what are you doing? Lily, what are you doing?
Go over. Come on. Oh. I was afraid to put too much on it. I don't want to turn it over.
You want help?
Oh, come on. That headwind. Got lucky. You got lucky. I gotta get back on the birdie train.
The birdie train has been derailed.
It has been. 7. And Jay still got the box of chains are right up there. Behind a tree. What are you throwing?
Servo.
Da-da.
Uh-oh.
Into the tree. Oh. Go, baby, go. Oh, parked. It hit the post.
Yeah.
Is that quite a putt? Maybe. Oh. See my park job, though? You see that thing? Look at the park job. I gotta say, you know, we bagged these. I actually threw his when he first got it, and I was very impressed. I'm impressed with these. Look at that park job. Huh?
Football.
Foot fault.
You didn't maintain balance. Come on, baby.
All right, this is 8. It's right there somewhere. Guess what? Got the box. Headwind again. I guess.
Aaron, I beat it.
Oh, get down. Ah.
You're too strong, bro.
Oof. They got some glide for sure.
Aaron, you're not making good again.
Oh, the wind. Oh,
He's not.
the wind. The wind comes right as he's wanting to putt. Good job. Good job. And I'm gonna have a straight up freaking headwind. That wind's coming right at me.
That's my part.
There we go. Yeah, and he grabs the birdie. Yes, sir.
Actually, there's something I
All right, this is 9. It's right over there. Range.
Aaron loves it when I do this during videos.
No. You go back and watch the Haunted Woods video, you'll see why.
All you hear is.
Yup. Point and shoot.
Hey, Dad.
Point and shooting to the ground.
Oh, that was way too low. Yeet. He goes up, and the wind's grabbing it. Shoot, I should have got.
And it's on the tennis court.
Landed way over there, so it went up. Wind grabbed it and it threw it way over there.
Stupid.
So he's got one heck of a putt. Oh. My putt ain't no joke either. Drop in.
If it wasn't for the wind,
Yeah, the
and the way
wind's.
my bank account's set up, I'd be playing better.
Sorry if the wind's getting in the microphone. Can't help it. Nice one. I'll take a 3.
I want the stupid dog.
I mean, my drive was horrible. I deserved a 3 after that. Brutus. All right, 10. Out there, 274 feet. Jay, you got the box on you. It's me. I got the box.
The boom has the box.
Gonna send it.
The boom.
Headwind.
Everything's a headwind.
Trippage. I hate this thing.
CTP for a piece of pizza.
All right.
Lily!
Oh, why are you throwing them low? It's this box. I hate it.
Turning.
Well, you got down there. Oh, I got some work to do. I just wish this wind would stop. Get in there. Parked. Oh, Jay's got quite a putt here. I mean, totally doable. Oh, he tickles. Tickles the chains.
Oh, well.
All right, putt time. I wanted to get you one for you.
Range.
Snuck it through. All right, this is 11.
We got another
Over
headwind.
there. On top of the mound.
Completely different direction too, and it's still a headwind.
Still a headwind. And I'm throwing a range. How about
Still?
you?
We're still doing that?
Yeah, why not?
Oh.
Just doing pretty good with this thing.
I wouldn't say
You know what the
good.
cool thing is? I mean, best case scenario, no wind with these discs because, you know, flight ratings. 2, 1, negative 0.5, and a 0.5. So it's a little understable. But we're making them work in the wind.
Not really. We're 4 down through 10.
That's it? Yeah. The wind, hurry, run.
Hey, you got it in the air.
A little high.
All right, that's perfect. Perfectly short.
That should have put a little more nose down. Dun, dun, dun. We got a little bit of work to do.
I suck.
This is, I mean, look at this though. I love this one right here. Just picturesque.
What's up, baby?
Yeah, boom! The boom! The boom! I might start putting with that.
Hi.
Not me. Trying plastic, it might be a good putter.
Goes that to that.
What'd you get it for?
Nope.
Yeah, I won. Another bird. I might start putting with that, Jay.
Ah!
Ah, fell out. All right, here we are at 12. It's up there.
Oompa Loompa
And
basket.
there's no wind, so here we go. Oh no! Get out of it!
We took too long. Now the wind's here.
Mine's out there. Oh.
Ah!
Oh, watch out. You're in a shot.
Good!
You
Nobody
landed
does to see
over there.
I like putt.
Jay's got one heck of a putt.
I like putt. Ah, shit.
Huh.
Lily, no!
Lily's in the water.
Yeah, you're
My
stuck
turn.
in the gunga.
Oh.
Your shoe came off.
Caca. Her shoe did come off. Uh-oh. Get down.
Look at the camera and say, what up? Say, what up?
What up?
What's up?
Did Jason make his putt?
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Oh my
He
God.
did not.
I'm tired.
He's having a rough day with this range.
Bogey.
Let me show him how to do this. Nope. Just like that. All right, 13. It's right there. The range. All day long, right?
If I lose to you, I'm taking this out of my bag.
Oh no, Heiser, get down.
I'm gonna try the range on a forehand. Oh, fuck
Beep. There's Jay's. There's the basket. What can you do, folks? What can you do? Oh, got robbed.
Yeah, do you think you can beat my leader? Plus my little pigeon.
Yeah, another bird for Fanny.
My Charmander. Hi, Lily. You want to see my Pokemon?
Style points.
Hi, guys.
Get yourself one, folks. Jason, what was that?
I said the range is officially out of the bag.
This is 14. It's right there. Oh. I gotta get out of it. Gotta get upwind. Oh, it slipped out of my hand. Get over it.
Hey, Lily.
All right, here's the deal. If I don't birdie this hole with this, next time we're at Kenilworth, I'm throwing it in the pond.
No, donate it to somebody.
No.
Can't believe that just slipped out of my hand. Get down. Get over.
Ah!
The way he's putting today, folks, that's a tester.
Now this is its best disc made.
Armadillo.
Arm of a dildo.
No ace today for you on that one. So I'm down in a hole. Chains are there. Rough putt coming up. So I'm going to take my relief back behind it. From here.
I bet you 100.
Should I run it? Let's run it.
Throat chop me. Kiss.
Nope. Can you grab that for me? I'll take a par. Well, we gotta see if he gets the bird. We gotta zoom in. Can he get the bird?
Stop me.
You can do it. There you go, folks. All right, 15 is right there. I'm gonna ace it.
Ryan, go.
Excuse me?
What the hell?
Go.
It's my box.
It is your box. Mom got the box back. Can he ace it? Can he ace it, folks? Does he have it in him? He got a birdie and see if he gets an ace.
Oh, Jesus.
That's makeable.
I'm distracted.
You are. Watch out, honey. Over here. Oh no.
The trees.
Where's that going? No.
This is how you ace.
That was horrible. I don't have a shot. Maybe. Ah, it's in thorns. Ah. Oh, maybe.
Lily, come here.
What are you doing over there, Aaron?
Lily.
Can I make it? Oh. Ah. But the camera wasn't on you. All right, we're at 16 behind that tree.
That wasn't bad.
Around it. Park job. Ho! You got CTP. Let's put it in. Add another birdie to my collection.
So cute.
There it is. 2 birds. This is 17. It's way up there. This ought to be a fun drive.
Should be a par 4 for these discs.
Yeah, right.
Watch out. Thank you, baby. Ah, crap.
Up and away.
I like how sometimes it's overstable, sometimes it's understable.
Right. You gotta learn how to throw it like me.
Yeah.
I'm in the fairway. Change it right up there. I got some work to do. This is the perfect approach disc. Perfect. There it is.
Okay, we're done. Where's the also long?
Somebody call 911.
911, what's your emergency?
Ah, I was hoping that chain out.
I'm on a hot streak tonight.
Bars.
We got a lot of birdies with this and the wind. Where are we at? He's all out of breath.
Tired.
All right, this is 18. It's right there. I think I got the box.
No, I do.
Sure.
Yeah. What's up, Bubba? Yep, I do. I got an ace just to win.
Oh. Oh my gosh, so freaking close.
It's a freaking 80-foot hole. Set.
Jeez.
It's an 80-foot set. Ozark.
Set. Where's the hole? What hole?
Move, Lily.
Excuse me. She's good.
Rise him, Lily. Rise him. Oh, no! Oh, I was hoping to get that done.
Another birdie, folks.
No pressure. Shake it! Oh!
Another
come
birdie.
on. Almost went out the bat.
Well, that does it for the range. Me personally, I bag it, and I don't see it come. He's a little disappointed.
Tired.
He's tired. Long day at work. Anyway, I like this disc. It is not like a Berg, which people say.
Cool discs.
Yeah, look at the back. That's cool.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That round wasn't.
This is cool. What were the scores? Scores.
I shot a -18. You shot 2.
I think it was opposite.
Felt like it.
What do we get?
You had -8. I had -7.
Boom! I got him, folks.
Finally.
No, but like in our defense, we usually shoot double digits here, but it is still windy. Well, I can't tell, but we still got the breeze. Not as bad as it was before, and we're throwing a understable disc, so not too bad.
I got a good challenge video.
He wasn't happy with this one. I was.
Putter only at Green Lane.
No way. I hate Green Lane. Anyway, for myself,
My arm will fall off.
Aaron Jameson, Mr. Jason Ernst.
Oops.
We are Chain Raider Disc Golf. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hate
Chain Raider crew in the house.
I hate saying this. You hit the like button and subscribe.
Better.
It's what you should automatically do. I do. When I watch a video, I hit the like because I know how much work it takes to do videos. So, anyway, do what you want to do. As for us, we're out. Streamline Range. I like it. It's in the bag.
We're going to get some pizza.
Pizza.